You are wasting thousands of dollars every single month on tools and technology that can be eliminated with one software. I'm talking right now, you could be spending upwards of $7,000 a month, maybe less, maybe more, that could easily be done with $297 a month. It's a drastic difference. And that one software has the ability to take your business from wherever you're at right now to wherever you're trying to go in the future. It's very easily scalable with what you're trying to do. This software that I'm talking about is known as GoHighLevel or GHL. It is the software you've been dreaming about for your business. It acts as a CRM. It has funnels and lead magnets, a website builder, surveys and forms, email and text marketing, booking and calendars, automations, courses, products, call tracking, reputation management, tracking and analytics, communities, and even a white labeled app if you're a marketing agency or a consultant and you want to continue to take the branding to the next level. All of those things that right now you may have in as many as 10 different places can be done now in one place for one price at a fraction of the cost. Increased efficiencies, more revenue, and the ability to keep more of your money in your pocket. Now, GHL, GoHighLevel, has everything you need to succeed. It helps you consolidate all of your marketing tools in one place without the large price tag, all of the headaches and the confusions that come along with all of those features that I listed before. Now, whether you want more customers, want to keep more of your current clients longer, or scale your business, GoHighLevel is the solution for you. Now, let's first talk about getting more customers. One of the biggest pain points that whether I'm talking to a digital marketing agency, a coach or consultant, or a home service-based business, that is always the hot topic. With the support of the community here in GoHighLevel, you will know the best strategies from the most successful marketers that are out there that are helping you make more money online. Now, client retention can also be a massive struggle after being in the agency space for 6 years. I know that. With GoHighLevel, you will be able to keep all of your clients and all of your tools sectioned in one place with a streamline and efficiencies of your entire process, making it easier for customers to do business for you and really show the authority that you've built and take your branding to the next level, and people will just feel like they're working with a luxury agency based on how you're positioning SaaS in your business. And lastly, GoHighLevel will help your business grow by connecting you with some of the most successful digital marketers that are on the planet, who will help you be able to close more deals and allow you to offer more services. Some of the tips and the strategies that I see shared in the GoHighLevel communities on Facebook and on social media, they are mind-blowing things that can absolutely help your business grow regardless of what industry you're in. How much money are you currently spending right now on software and technology in your business that could easily be eliminated with GoHighLevel? If I had to venture to guess, it's definitely in the hundreds, if not multiple thousands of dollars that you could be saving and being more efficient with. GoHighLevel helps you build the digital marketing engine you need within inside of your business to succeed. And now there's 3 main areas that GoHighLevel is going to help you out with, which is capture, nurture, and close. When it comes to capturing leads, right, you're going to be able to use landing pages and funnels, surveys and forms in order to get all of the information and to then move them to the nurture stage. You're also going to have calendars and inbound phone systems and much more. Once you've captured the lead, you then take that lead from capture to nurture and then eventually to close. But as you're taking them in the nurture section, you're automatically going to message leads that are coming in via voicemail, via SMS and email marketing, Facebook Messenger, and more. Now with close, you have built-in tools within GoHighLevel to collect payments, schedule appointments, and overall track analytics. Now, if you're getting value here from this video, then be sure to hit the button on the video to go ahead and like this video, but also subscribe to our channel. That way you can get notified each and every single time we launch a new video. While all of these tools and features are amazing, one of my favorite parts about GoHighLevel is the award-winning support. I've been using so many softwares over the last 6+ years, and I got to tell you, it's usually an anomaly when support is at the level that GoHighLevel is at. From onboarding to post sign up and everything in between, you will be hard pressed to find a customer service team like theirs. They have all this support that's happening online on social media with their team and even Zoom calls to be able to help you. Heck, the CEO, Sean Clark, is notorious for answering so many questions on social media and hopping on Zoom calls with users. Their support makes switching easy within the platform. They have a one-click import from your previous marketing tools, making this an absolute breeze. And whatever is easiest for you in terms of communication is easiest for them. Reach out to their support team with live chat options, email, or even phone. And whether you get up super early or you're a night owl or you live overseas, doesn't really matter. GoHighLevel support team is 24/7 and offers worldwide support. Now, if you're not on GoHighLevel already and you're still watching this video and you're like, Adam, where do I sign up? Click the link below for a free trial so you can test out some of these game-changing features yourself. And typically there's a 14-day free trial with GoHighLevel, but we've actually partnered with them to offer you an extended 30-day free trial, which you'll see that link in the description, with a ton of personal branding bonuses. You'll get access to our personal branding course, a month free in our mastermind, and all these other amazing tools that will help you take your business and your SaaS to the next level. And even if you don't want to go ahead and do that, which I certainly recommend you do, you can go and join our free Facebook group over on Facebook, which is at Builders of Authority. Click the link below, or you just type in Builders of Authority on Facebook. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Make sure you go and hit that subscribe button so that way you can get notified each and every single time we launch a new video. Like this video, leave a comment with feedback, and remember, authority isn't built overnight, it's built over time.